So guys, few days ago, the governor of Edo State, the person of Monday Okpebholo, came out to say that he was going to set up a justice system where criminals and kidnappers will be tried, and if found guilty, they will be taken to Ringwood houses where they will be hanged, so that everybody will see that justice has been done. Right? And then after that statement, a lot of people came out to criticize him for it, saying that a lot of innocent people will suffer due to that decision, while some other people came out to applaud him for that decision. But before we look into that video, I quickly want you guys to pay attention to this case of these two guys that went to steal a machine that is used for production by one of the company in Benin City. If you're a leader out there, pay close attention to this video, because you are going to understand why some leaders don't disclose some important information to their workers. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for quick updates. Let's get right into the video.
The suspects, identified as Heron and Steve, were apprehended at about 8 p.m. on Saturday, June 20, 2026 at the boundary between Evoriara and Ewabogo Road during a routine surveillance operation by officers attached to the Evoriara PZ Sector Command. According to reports, the suspects were intercepted while allegedly transporting a factory engine used in the production of granite. Preliminary investigation revealed that the equipment belonged to Isigbe Construction Company, where both suspects reportedly worked before allegedly stealing the machine. The arrest was made following intelligence gathering and heightened patrol activities aimed at protecting critical infrastructure and private investment within the area. The suspects speak.
Now we would all buy for finish for that, so we call the flow like this. Now I got a year for it. You call it. I call say what you have we say the whole person.
Okay.
Say give person.
Okay.
The whole lot. I say to be down. I will say book. I will say the book. Or I will say book. I will say you see you see the whole person for this.
Okay. Okay.
What you happen? You say if you see the person this and this. I'm okay. If they come in the fear to come, you come over me this, say like this bros. Say now for this something. I'm going to try to come so to move on. If they see my for this big logo, so that I know. I make as conscious now. Me call the talk to that bros. If I see consider I give you something, say not be saying I ain't hold on self. See person when you hold on. I go say okay. My second for person that go into the boy castle. How come? I want to go meet that bros. That lessons. But they talk to I say not be saying I ain't hold on. See person where you hold on. Me no cannot go talk anything again. I mean say okay, no wahala. He said today made them come with the talk the matter.
The Edo State Security Corps has reiterated its resolve to sustain proactive security measures and urged members of the public to continue providing useful information that can aid law enforcement agencies in the fight against crime.
First and foremost, if you pay close attention to that video, you are going to understand that these two young guys, they went to steal a machine in their former company where they worked. And the machine that they stole is normally used for production, right? What baffles me is the fact that these guys, they should be in their mid-20 or maybe in their early 30. And we all know that they still have the strength to do anything, you know, legit that will fetch them cash. But how come that they choose to take this part of crime? Right? And I have been saying it over and over again. Any young man, any youth that choose to take the path of crime, there is only one way that it always ends, and that is life imprisonment. And I can bet you that once you enter that prison cell, you are going to regret all the atrocities that you have committed. Right? And secondly, a few days ago, the governor of Edo State made a statement where he said that he was going to set up a justice system in which criminals and kidnappers in the state will be tried, and if they are found guilty, they will be taken to Ringwood houses where they will be hung. Right? And for some of you that may not know, the reason why he said that is due to the rate of insecurity in the state. Right? And a lot of people did not really find that statement funny. A lot of people criticized him for it, while some people applauded him for it. So this morning, we are going to be looking at some of the comments and what some people think in the state. If this is actually a good move for the state, or if this is a good move that will actually cause more disaster for the state.
This is not a time to say no level. If you have a brother in Edo State, inform him what is going on. As a matter of fact, recently or now, the government of Edo State or Monday Okpebholo wants to introduce a new law whereby when you are found guilty in kidnapping case, in court matters, courts and stuff like that, and when you are found guilty, you will be hanged live in Ring Road, in center of the city. Bro, this will not be time to say no go happen. If you base in diaspora and you have a brother, a little brother, inform them. Because as a matter of fact, some of them don't have the time or energy or resources or data to watch or read news. It go sup. This man the runner. Now talk and runner. Now they think say it not go happen. It go package on. And for you to be excluded or for your brother to be excluded, first of all, you need to remove him for those things. Because if you are found guilty, 100% day or 90% say, if you runner, if you have a brother there right now, start to the advisor. Or if you even have the means to take him out there, take him out. If you know the brother you have now stubborn head person, say no level deal. You cannot fight the government. Whether you like the man or you don't like the man, whether you like government or you don't like government, you cannot fight government. You can't. So as a matter of fact, either you avoid these things or you stop these things or you leave the state. It goes up. If you have a brother, inform them.
Okpebholo, I don't say you the pursue courtist. See, I beg Okpebholo. Stay CID, the terrorize. The same way make kidnapper till they operate. Now so stay CID till they operate. The same way make kidnapper till they kidnap people against the people wish. The same way kidnapper will take command your carry person. Now the same way stay CID till they operate. Kidnapper and stay CID. No difference. If kidnapper see they go demand for ransom. If TCID arrest person, maybe even arrest na kidnap because they don't first do me, they don't first kidnap me. TCID. If TCID still kidnap people the way make kidnapper they kidnap, they will still collect. I know say they won't be ransom. They call their own babe, but me and you say na still ransom. Because if TCID, first of all, if TCID see you for road, they will say they want check you for courtesan. They write courtesan put for forehead. TCID they know the real courtesan. If TCID even see real courtesan, they go free am. They fit even use space swap am. If courtesan now, the real courtesan they get connection. Not be this one wey Okpebholo they do. Real courtesan when get level they get. This one wey Okpebholo want to say you don't know all those you don't know courtesan. Okpebholo you want to say you don't know courtesan. Come on, get out. Go and sit down. Go sit down. You want to see you don't know courtesan when they terrorize. Now innocent people, no na why you carry innocent people. Before na carry innocent person go execute them, more na investigate, more na no go carry innocent person. Still CID the worst pass kidnapper, the worst pass courtesan. If I the waka now, I see courtesan, I fish she courtesan. Say I agree to boy him. They go even answer me how you did. But if you, I swear to God, if you stay CID and you go wrong, stay CID even the boss house. Stay CID if you come your house now. The way kidnapper and stay CID no difference. Stay CID if you come your house like this, they'll spoil everywhere. Scatter door. Stay CID. I say, I mean, no CID talk. Those people evil. So the way that they kidnap, and you get one video when I see, we get one video when I see for Orumi. All those police are being special squad. They all carry boys for hotel. They all carry boys. How on until they show see all the boys for that hotel and courtist? Okay, imagine I say I go lodge hotel now. So as soon as the boss they now still boss me join and say I be courtist. Una they very unprofessional. This thing one they do now, una they use until they disturb innocent people. And most of all those police have more investigate them. No say una if person talk, una go find with arrest the person. If person talk, una go arrest her. No freedom of speech again. And I even well, thank you for the flyover. Man, I not go there arrest innocent people because stay CID they evil. Stay CID they are evil. I prefer Curtis than Stacey IDU. I go able to me, I do the debate. But Curtis is not good. If you be Curtis, change you or run come for Edu. I know they support Curtis. Curtis is evil. Kidnapper is evil. That is where I want land. The same way when Curtis and Kidnapper stay they evil. Stacey ID is also evil. Stacey ID evil. Stacey. I don't know, Shao, but Stacey ID, they're evil. Those people, they be criminal. Our police go stay for road, the carry boys. They will thief. Police not the catch thief, now boys they catch.
Now, first and foremost, all I can say is Monday Okpebholo is the governor of Edo State, and as far as that power has been conferred upon him, he has the right to do anything as far as it is within the judicial system of this nation, and also as far as his intention is to curb this issue of insecurity. All I can say is if you are in Edo State this period, you have to be very, very careful, right? And as a young man, stay away from crime. Because if at the ending the Edo State security operative get to you, honestly, you are going to regret your life, and honestly, you are not going to find it funny. Few days ago, some kidnappers stormed a market in Benin City, and during that process, a woman was abducted, and few days after, we saw how the Edo State security operative apprehend one of the person that carried out that kidnapping attack in vegetable market. Right, just a few hours ago I came across a video in which I learned that 2 people that was part of that attack were also apprehended by those state security operative. And as I'm talking now, these people, they are still, with them in the state, answering questions concerning that attack.
When I see these 2 guys when they my screen, so these 2 guys now make 4 people when go kidnap that woman for vegetable market for broad daylight. When use that red lasers, there be 4. They buy one for inside. Now the first one I post that day, then plus these 2. Now they test it. Now they go bring them come. They can run, but they not go feel hide. I won't shout out to Senator Monday Okpebholo, because the one when you mean now will support you. We give you hand for the one when you they do now. Nobody can take it away from you. PSO, shout out to you. CSO, shout out to you. Tactical team, to the governor, to the state house, shout out to all of now. You see, now they don't want to leave any stone unturned. If you be parent now, carry your children sit down. Carry your husband sit down. Carry your brothers sit down. We could not talk to each other. Kidnapping is not allowed anymore in Edo State. Courtism is not allowed anymore in Edo State. Anything one they do when you go lead to violence, nobody won't even listen, not to talk so you won't hear. Police cannot favor anybody anymore because the governor want to be part of every insecurity when they happen for Edo State. Anywhere when you hear it concerning security, the thing will cause wahala for state. It will get involved. And when you don't involve, no going out for you. Make you no be the first person when they go by for ring road, according to the new law. Protect your family. Protect their names. That time when they buy people publicly, internet no day. This time na internet day. That stigma no go feel leave your family. Una no go see one and go hide on her face. So no go bring that disrepute to your family name, your papa, your grandmother, when they don't build. You go bring her come. Because say you define quick money. Money, time to find money, not the late. You can get money anytime. Even if not be you get them. You feel born children when you go get the money. So no go waste your life. No go bring a dirty name to your family name. Protect your family legacy. Protect yourself. Because Okpebholo will know the joke this time. In one follow-up. Another follow-up. Now we follow up. The follow-up. May you know, security must be intact for Edo State. He wants to make Edo State the most secured and safe city for the whole Nigeria. At the same time, if you build house and you won't give them out to anybody, may you be very careful. Because I know, I be statement of person when no one listen to what they go on. You go say, I know if I had known. Make it not go be your statement last. It's not easy to build house. No go let another person go using weary. Take go let them destroy your house. Protect your house. Because even you, when they destroy your house, the stigma will still deal with you. The land don't become government land. No, you suffer by them. Most of us when we in Europe, many of us now they use this time, even take the talk to. Because you don't go feed your build house for somewhere because you want to build house, you don't know the people when they inside. That one not be excuse. So may we dey very, very careful. Don't go they call later, say you don't know. Say what they do now, no good. Now, everybody get right to correct himself, correct everything when they happen now. Because the one when they see, we don't really know what the people don't go through for this kidnapping issue. And how far we don't go to make sure say this kidnapping we put up to an end. And as the end now, may you not come be victim because say you build a house. Just be wise for your own sake, for your own safety. Be wise.
Now, all I can say is, if you have a brother or a sister this period, start talking to them. Start talking to them, because Edo State as it is now is really, really hot. And the governor of Edo State is equal to the task. This man is not joking. If he says it, he's going to do it. Right? And a lot of people are going to suffer for it. Most especially these people that have refused to stay away from crime. And it is a pity because their family will also be affected. But I want to ask, do you guys think this decision that was made by those states governor, the person of Monday Okpebholo, to set up a justice system where criminals and kidnappers will be tried, do you guys think it is a right move? Or do you guys think it is going to affect a lot of people, a lot of innocent people in the state? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And don't forget to click my Telegram link. It is going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, because I do post videos there on daily basis that I cannot post here on YouTube due to their strict policy. I'll see you guys in my next video.